Hi, this is Tohib from TribeArc. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick demo on TribeArc LMS. So, what is TribeArc LMS? TribeArc LMS is a platform whereby content creators like you and myself can upload our content for our students to have access to it. Okay, now some courses might be free, just like this one that was created by myself. You can have a free course, and at the same time you can have a paid course whereby they need to pay certain amount of money before they can have access to it, and whenever they purchase the course they will have access to the course content just like this. So this is more like Udemy and Edureka and the likes in the field, right? So there's one uniqueness about TribeArc LMS, which is by giving you a custom landing page. So this particular organization, in-app team, they are using TribeArc LMS. So as you can see, it is well customized. Now it will be very hard to tell that they are on TribeArc LMS. So TribeArc LMS offer this by giving you a custom landing page. So if I go back to the TribeArc LMS page now, so how do I sign up here? So I can use any of this button to sign up, but before that we want to check their pricing. Okay, so this is free plan, this is basic plan, and this is pro plan. So the difference from all this is whenever you sign up with free plan, it doesn't mean that you are not paying any money, but of course you are not paying any money to sign up. So all you need to do is to sign up, upload your content, then whenever you make sales on each content, the platform collects just 10% of the sale. So let's say that you upload a course of 1,000 naira, so the platform collects just 100 naira on each sales that you make on that course. So this is another one. This is basically the basic plan, right, which is 20,000 naira monthly, and the last one is 100,000 naira monthly, and this is the pro plan. And at the same time we have enterprise plan. So this enterprise plan allows organizations just like the one I showed earlier, which is this one. So they allowed organizations whereby this organization can have their own instructors. So instructors are somebody like you and I that will use any of this plan to register. So the organization can have these instructors under them. So if I click on start for free to create an account, if I click on start for free, so now I can sign up as individual, then because I want to teach what I know with TribeArc LMS, right? So right now I'm going to type in my email address. So this is my email address. Okay, so my full name, this is telling me that I should use my full name as it appears on all my documents. So I am going to say my full name. Okay, that is my full name. So country, I am coming from Nigeria. So domain, of course I want to use Tohib as my domain. So whenever anybody needs to log into my landing page, just like the one I showed us earlier, this one, so whenever anybody needs to log into my landing page, they are going to use my name.tribac.xyz. so that will be my link that I'll be sharing to my students. So let me type in my password. So this is my password. Okay, so I'll go to this, then I'm going to sign up. Okay, so on this page I need to verify my account, and one good thing I love about this platform is I can easily chat with somebody here So not a robot, somebody here. I can easily chat with a real person here, and at the same time I can easily customize. I can change the language. So if I'm not too comfortable with English, I can easily change it. So right now I should have a verification code inside my email address. So I'll go there. So I have my email here. So all I need to do is to hit refresh. Okay, so this is it. So this is the email address. I'm just going to copy the verification code, come back here and paste, then verify. Okay, so request done successfully, verification success. So now I need to log in with my details here. So I'll go email, then my password. Okay, so this is the next page. So I need to update my profile, right? So my skills, right? So I can just select anything. At the same time I can just leave it empty. Of course I am going to go with web development, mobile development, then I'm going to add math, then game development. Okay, so if you like you can just select all. So my highest qualification, I can select anything here, doctorate. Then I'm going to upload my certificates, because this is actually useful so that your students, they can say something like, okay, this is about our instructor, so they can see all this under your profile. So this is actually a file manager, just like your system file manager. Now you can see the current usage. I have 20 gig. So I can say I want to create a new folder. I can call the folder myself, although this is not necessary, so that I can be able to organize something here. So I can have a new folder. I can call this folder my first course. So I have my first course. Okay, so myself, this is going to be about me, right? So I am going to upload my certificates. So choose a file. Okay, I am going to upload this as my certificate. So I actually download this online, so I'll just upload that as my certificate. Okay, so save that. Okay, so which bank am I actually using? So I'm going to fill that. Of course this is not my bank. So okay, okay, that is account name. So for account name, of course my name is, this is my account number. So for my passport, so I'll click again. Now as you can see, I have two folders here. So I say myself will be everything about me, so that I can have I can organize my stuff. So I will upload another one. So let's upload. Okay, I'm actually looking for my passport now, right? Okay, I think so. I'm going to go ahead with this. So let's go ahead with that. Okay, save. Okay, so extra information, I can actually put anything here, and at the same time I can leave that empty. So send request. Okay, so I have my account right here. So this is my name. I have no picture yet. I have no courses. I have no followers. So right now I need to set up my SEO. So if anybody should go online and search for something that relates to whatever I put here, I can say learning management system with KME, right? So inside the description I can paste the same thing or just write something else. So I'll update that. Okay guys, we're done here. So we have our website here. So this is my website link. So what I can do right now is to open a private window. So to paste that. So now this is my platform. As you can see, I have my email address here. Then all these that you are seeing here, I can actually customize everything. I mean everything. So that is what we are going to do right now. So if I give any of my students this link, then they will have access to this my landing page. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, so this is my profile right now. So I can go to settings. So you can see how we can turn around some things over there. So for phone number, I can actually type in phone number. So this is just your random phone number. So click next. All right guys, so right here we can select our avatar. So I need to change my profile picture here. So I can select that. So I think I'll go ahead with this or this guy. So go ahead with this guy. So this is asking me to crop it. I think this is very important, guys. So I will. Okay, I want my student to see my face. Of course, this is not my face. So I want my student to see my face very well. So I'll select this. Okay, so this is profile cover, right? So I'm going to show you how we can access this later on in the demo. Okay, so this is fav icon. This is actually the icon that shows up here. So if you have one, you can actually change it at the same time. So I'm going to show you where this home advert is at the same time. So let's just quickly upload something here. So let's upload something here. So the home advert, I am going to proceed using this. This is going to look kind of ugly over there. Okay, so I'm just going to put something there, right? I'll put this. So select. Okay. So save. All right. So this is now, as you can see, my picture is showing up here. So this is the about title, right? So if I go back to my landing page now, so this is the title that we're about to change now, and this is the description. So if I go back, if I come back here, so the hero title now, learn with Tohib, and here, of course, so I'm just going to copy some random text, probably from here. Okay, nothing to copy here. Okay, we just want to put something there. Can I copy this? No. Okay. Yes. Okay, so I'll copy all this. Okay. Paste. All right. So this is just a quick something about me, right? So I'll paste the same thing. So my job title, I'll just say instructor. All right, so I will click next. Okay, so my degree, I don't want to fill that yet. So but you just want to do all this so that your student will know that they can actually trust you and they can actually buy from you. So I filled all this. Next. Okay, so I select my bank, my address. So I need to fill in my address. Next again. Okay, so if I have this Zoom JWT API, so this is actually working for the live course. If you want to host a live course, you can just go to your to Zoom website and set this up and fill it here. But since I don't have to bother myself about that. So at the same time, I can actually change my current subscription by subscribing to another plan. Why? But we don't want to do that yet because we want to test the platform and see how the platform is working, right? So if I go back to my dashboard, okay, so we have this here. So if I go back to my landing page and hit refresh, now you can see that we have learn with me, then we have this text. If I scroll down, so this is the advert that I uploaded the other time. Okay guys. All right, so from here I can actually create courses and see my courses, my purchases, comments. If I have any comments, I can see everything here. So I can as well schedule meetings. So if I want to make myself available for my students to reach me, I can schedule meeting. Then this meeting I can attach prices to it, or I can actually make it free at the same time. So quizzes, I can set quizzes for my courses. So I can set up certificates for my students. I can see all my sales, the sales reports, my financial summary, my payouts and everything. So messaging, if I have any message coming from my students, I'll see everything here. Support, if I have any support ticket from my students, if I have any conversation coming from my students, I can actually see everything here. Then new, I can actually create a support. Probably I want the platform to help me with something. I can actually create new support here. So marketing, I can actually create a special offers, that is discount for probably for first 20 students. Because if you go to Udemy, you can see that sometimes you might you might be seeing some courses. Okay, this is a course right now. The initial price is 29,000 and right now it is 4,500 naira. So what is actually happening here is this. So it is this discount. So it's going to expire in 7 hours 41 minutes, and that is the same thing this discount is for. So the same thing goes with notifications. So if I have any notifications, I'm going to be seeing it under here. So the notification can actually be messaging, support message, comments, and followers, right? So we have settings and we have our profile. So I'm just going to scroll up again to go to my courses. So currently I have no course uploaded, so I'll go to new. Okay, so right now on TribeArc, I can actually create 3 types of courses. I can create live course, that is if I'm using Big Button, Zoom, Google Meets, or Microsoft Teams, or any other video conference platform. So this is video course. So this is more like the Udemy and the Edureka that I showed us earlier, or probably something like YouTube. So I'll go for a video course. At the same time, I can have a text course. So it's just going to be all about reading something. Then whenever they are done with the reading, you can give them a quiz or something. So I'll go to video course. So for title right now, I am going to place type in something here. Why you should start drinking coffee. All right, so we have that. So for the SEO meta description for this course, I'm going to say why you should start drinking coffee, a comprehensive lesson on why we need coffee. Okay, so if anybody should go online and type something like why do we need coffee, it's going to show this our course for the person. Okay, so the course thumbnail actually, so that is what will be showing up here. So this is what we call thumbnail. So I'm going to upload something here. So I actually have no design for this, but what I'll do is, okay, so this is my first course. If you can remember, we created this folder So I'll go there, my first course. Okay, so I'll upload something. Okay, so let's go to documents, Wondershare. Okay, so I'm going to use this as my avatar, my thumbnail. So close that, select and confirm. Okay, so the cover image, I'm going to upload a big picture for this. So open my first course. Okay, so I'm going to be using this as my cover image. Okay, we're done. Okay, so I can actually preview this as well. Close. So I can select this and confirm. Okay, so I have it here. So if I want to include a demo video just to show our students something before they actually purchase the course, I can upload something here. So in here, I can just copy the same thing we have here, paste it, then go to next. Okay. Okay, so the duration of this course, sometimes you might know the duration, sometimes you might not. So I'm just going to include something. So this is actually in minutes. So we are talking about 3 hours something. So is this course downloadable? No. So do I have any partner instructor? Probably you collab with somebody. So you can select this and select the instructor. So let me just show us that. So I'll just type the instructor's name. So probably so if the instructor is actually active, you are going to see the name on the list here. So we don't know any instructor, so I just cancel that. So the tags, I'll just say coffee, health, I can say course, first course, I can say instructor, I can say top course, I can say best selling. So just to input something here. So the category of this course, let me see the category of this course. Okay, I can actually go with health and fitness. I think this is perfect. Health and fitness. So this is health. The language is English, so it is of course beginner. So I'll click on next. So the price right now, I am going to say it is 3,000 naira. So I can actually make pricing plan here. Probably I am doing discount, 20% discount. So for first or probably promo price. So the capacity, I can set this to 20. So when you have 10 students that purchase this course at this discounted price, so that is actually the limit. So after that, they'll be buying at the initial price. So we can set this up. Then the expiry date of this promo price, we can set the same thing. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so I have this lesson here. Okay, so this is a video course, right? So we need to click on lesson to add lesson. So what this actually means is that when you have a course, you are going to have lessons under the course, probably chapter 1. Okay, for instance, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So chapter 1, you can have introduction. So chapter 2, you can have something like chapter 1, you can have introduction. Chapter 2, you can have basic something, just anything that pertains with the course that you are trying to set up. probably how to prepare a coffee, how to do this, how to plant a coffee. So I can just say introduction here, introduction here. So of course it is this page, right? So the source of the file, so I'll select the file, that is the video file. So I can as well use a YouTube file or Vimeo. In fact, I can use a video that was uploaded on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or anywhere. So I'll go to my first course. I'll click on Add. So let's choose a course. So right now I have all these files here. So I'll just go with this one. This is actually 18 megabytes. I'm looking for something very, very small that I can easily upload. That won't take much time. Okay, this is 2 megabytes. So we can go for this. Okay, so we have our video course. So I can confirm that. So this is the video. So the description of this particular lesson, I can say this is the first lesson. It is the intro, top 3 parts of the course, or probably something like thank you for purchasing my course. So is this particular lesson downloadable? I don't want them to be able to download it. So if you want them to be able to download this particular video file, then you can turn this on, else you turn it off. So I save this. Okay, so I have the introduction. I can as well make another one, another one, another one, and another one like that. So I'll click on next. Okay, so what do they need to have before they can watch this course? Of course, you don't need any skill, you don't need any material, you just have to watch the course. So I'm not going to put anything under here, under the prerequisites. So I'll just click on next. So if you would like to put some question and answer under this particular course, you can do that by using the FAQ. So what is the title? That is the question, right? Is coffee good for our health? Probably somebody might be curious about questions like this. So you can just say yes, of course. Science. So you say something here. So I'll click on save. So I can add another one. Is it good for kids too? So you say something here. So just some question and answer. So I'll click on next. Okay. So will there be quiz after this course? If there's going to be quiz, you can actually set up quiz for them. So what is the quiz title? So coffee quiz 1. Okay, so the time of this quiz, so it is just 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So this randomized question is probably you have 30 questions set up, and you don't want all the students to be saying the same question every time, so you can randomize it. So if this person is having number 1, my number 1 might be his own number 5, so that is the randomized question. Then to randomize the answers as well, so that is the A can be B, the B can be C, and all that. So ensure learning means that you want to ensure the student watch the course. So if they haven't finished the course or any part of the lesson, they won't have access to the quiz. I think this is very, very important. You want to make sure they know what is actually going on in the course. So number of attempts of this particular quiz. So I can leave it empty for unlimited. At the same time, I can just say 2 times. So the pass mark for this will be 10 as well. So you have to score everything before you can pass this. So will this include certificates? Yes. So you have to make the quiz active. It is very important so that you can have access to it. So I can create a quiz. All right, so we have the quiz here. So I can then add questions. I see. I can then add questions. So we have the quiz at first. This is quiz. We have the quiz. Then this is questions. So I can add a multiple choice question. So what is the question title? So the question is, how many times should you take coffee per day? Okay, so this is a tricky one. Question mark. So the grade of this particular one will be 1 because we want them to have 10 questions and the mark is 10 as well. So each question will take 1. So we are going to add an answer. So we have these 2 answers, 3, 4. So I just had the 4 answers, the 4 options. So this first option says 4 times. So we don't need image. So probably some kind of mathematical equation that you need to show them something. So you use this. So is this a correct answer? You check that. So the second answer says 25 times. Okay. So the third one actually says once. Okay, so once, take it just 1 time. So the second one says 16 times. Okay. All right, so I can actually save this particular one. Okay. All right, guys, so we are going to move on from here. So I have all this, so I can actually add more and more. So I can click on next. Okay, so all I have to do here is to accept this and publish. Okay, so I have my course here, so I can actually copy the link to the course and send it to anybody that might be interested in buying the course, right? So I'll click OK, come back here, then I'm going to hit refresh. Okay, so if I scroll down, I should be seeing my coffee course. So if anybody is having my link, once they get to my landing page, then they are going to be seeing my course. Then they can easily click on it and see the contents. Okay, so this is my coffee course. So anybody can just add this to cart. So as you can see, nobody is logged in. So this is very secure, and again, you won't have access to the course if you haven't purchased. You won't have access to any of the lesson if you haven't purchased the course. So that is all, guys. You can easily click this and sign up and purchase the course. So that is everything on uploading and creating course. So let's go back to our dashboard. So if I go to my courses, I have this here. So I have this particular course and it is 3 minutes, 23 hours, 20 minutes. So no sales yet. So unless you are going to buy it. Okay, so if I go to my quizzes, so if I go to lists, so I have just 1 quiz for my coffee course. Then I can see results of anybody that have taken the quiz in the past. I can see the results here. Then my financial, my sales report. So if I have any sales, I am going to see it here. Then I can actually request for payouts. As you can see, request for payouts. So but we don't have any sales yet, so we can't actually request for payout. So that is all, guys. Thank you very much.